Hey guys, it's Cassie and today we have a spring luxury haul. We have got lots of different brands, okay? Some brands that I've bought from before, a few that I'm a first timer to, so I'm excited to show you. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When we're going to rehab, never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. Most of these items today are from FARFETCH. Thank you, FARFETCH, for sponsoring this part of the video. I have an incredible code to share with you guys today that is not only for new but also existing customers, so stick with me. Okay, if you didn't know, FARFETCH is an online platform. It is home to hundreds of boutiques, department stores, brands all over the world. So you go on there, you peruse, you shop, and then that item gets dispatched from wherever it is on this glorious planet that we live on. So the farthest something has travelled today is from Australia. FARFETCH has such a huge variety of different brands, different price points, and that is why I personally love shopping on there. There is also the Access program, which is FARFETCH's loyalty program, that the more you shop with FARFETCH, you get access to exclusive brands, exclusive little discount, early access to the sales, and even things like a little birthday reward, to name but a few benefits. Now, my code is going to get you 15% off your order. If you are a new customer, if you are not a new customer, this is going to work for you. There are some brand exclusions. They will be listed below. But apart from that, guys, go forth. Now, this code is going to give you 15% off up until the 4th of April. So 11:59 UK time on the 3rd of April, this stops and it goes back to 10% off for new customers. But from today until the 4th of April, it's 15% off for everyone. So move quickly. I also do have an edit on FARFETCH that has been updated. So if you need any inspiration on spending your money, you know where to go. That's also going to be linked below as well. So thank you so much to FARFETCH for continuing to work with me this year. I love working with them and I love being able to give you guys these codes. Let's get into what I bought. Okay, so the first item is, you're going to think this is very un-me, but sometimes I go through these moments, okay, where I want to feel like a Disney princess, and that is this Age. I believe the brand is actually called Age. I've been calling it Arge. So this is an Australian brand, and it is very girly, very over the top. Like I said, very Disney princess. I feel like I should be breaking out into song when I put this dress on. It's got this incredible bow detail at the back that you tie yourself, and you've got these huge voluminous sleeves. I actually bought this for one main reason, which is I'm going to Ghana soon. I'm going to a wedding, and one of the wedding events is a white party. I only have one white outfit, and that is long sleeves, and I don't need that level of sweat in Ghana. I'm trying to make it to the end of the year, you know? So I went perusing around and I found this and I was like, this is going to be super cute, because not only are we going to do it with a heel for the party, you know, in a cute bag, whatever. I think that upon first inspection you might think, oh, this dress isn't versatile at all, it's a very cutesy dress and that's it. But no, let's pop on some chunky gold jewellery and let's do her with a sneaker and she can really take us there. I love that juxtaposition. Now, I got this in a size 10, can really cinch in with this bow at the back there. I feel absolutely adorable, okay? Look at me. I look like the Tooth Fairy. I look like Tinkerbell at her own wedding. I don't know, but I love it. One downside about this dress, the sleeves are heavy, okay? And they do have the gel grip on the inside, but they do, sometimes we get a bit of that. So I'm trying to find a workaround to that. But look at the back. Oh my, is she not the most adorable thing we've ever seen in the world? Let me move my hair. Look, look. Next up is an item from a brand that I have not heard of before. This skirt is from a brand called Patou. Patou. Okay, it's a little stitching on belt there. And she's giving us very much tennis. She is giving us US Open. She's giving us Wimbledon, you know. Super cute. I love the material on this. It reminds me of like a trench coat, if that makes any sense. But she is just a fabulous pleated skirt. I believe she also does come in black. I went for a size 36, which is I would probably usually go for a 38. But I have quite a small waist and I really wanted her cinching in on the waist. To be honest with you, I shouldn't have really worried too much, because even in a size 38, you've got the belt that's there to cinch for that reason. I think this is a great staple to have, because not only is she going to help us slay in the spring summer, but with a tight for when the seasons turn a little bit colder, you know? So she's really going to take us throughout the year. Okay, another brand that I haven't heard of until I was, you know, skipping around the internet. Rebecca Valance. It reminds me of Holly Valance. Kiss kiss. Do we know? Do we know? If you didn't know, that was a weird moment for us all. Again, I don't know. I was clearly like having a moment or whatever, because it was the sleeves for me and it was the cut of the dress, okay? So we've got a fabulous puffy sleeve, but I like how it's cut straight across. And then the dress really sort of nips in here, and again, out we go a bit, skimming over the hips. This is very me. I love a cinched waist, and then we fly out. It's a little back dress. How can you go wrong? It's in a sort of crepe material. There's no stretch in the dress. So I got this in a size 8 because I'm smaller on the top than I am on the bottom. I wanted it to be tight here, and I knew that here we had a little bit of lax. I love a mini dress like this with platforms. I think it looks really cute, a little bit sexy, fun. It's one of those things that was like, I don't know why I'm so drawn to you, but I am, and we're about to slay some looks together, so it had to happen. The party has arrived. Sorry, this dress with these platforms, I can't. Black mini dress with platforms, it works every single, it's a foolproof plan, truly. And she feels like an it girl, okay? She feels like, I don't know, I'm feeling very Gossip Girl in this. Do you not feel like this is Good Morning Upper East Siders? Rene Caovilla heels. Now, I have now bought 2 Rene Caovilla shoes, okay? I've got my Cleo boots, stop. My favourite boot. I'm actually like a little bit worried about them, because I am worried about the day when I've run them into the ground, because I love them so much. And then I also bought the Diana sandals last year as well. I love the quality, I love the sparkle. Good evening, sliding around. You've got extra little heel caps, whatever, you know what they are. The perfect pair cropped up, because this isn't the usual like Cleo shoe. There's some slight differences here, and that's what kind of tipped me over the edge. So, if I get these out, they are in this glorious like champagne satin, okay? Stop, I love it. This one has a different heel. You see that all glitter sole we love, okay? Red bottom who? Anyway, this heel is a little bit flared. Obviously you've got all crystals here and everything. I quite liked this. Usually it's just a simple stiletto heel, but I quite like the fact that this had a little bit of flare. I don't know, just a little bit more stability. And then you've got the very signature snake. You've got a little mid-foot strap. I don't know. The front strap, and this toe is a little bit more square than the usual toes. Initially, I was a bit worried, okay, because you know me, I'm not a square toe gal. However, it's not an unnecessary square toe, right? Your toes reach the end, there's nothing coming out at the top of it, you know, it works, in my opinion, and I am obsessed. The amount of crystals here is stunning. With the 2 Rene Caovilla shoes that I have currently, not a single, I don't know how it's possible, especially with the boots, because I've been running them into the ground, okay? Not a single crystal is off. So I really don't expect anything less from these. I think these are also a shoe that, especially in this colour, it's going to go with anything. Anything that requires a strappy heel, we're done. It can go with something super shouty, it can go with something neutral. I really see myself wearing these a lot. Also, the movement of that is just making me laugh in my head. How can you take me seriously when this is just going on in the background? But anyway, I got these in a size 39. Now, I reckon I could have done 39, 39 and a half. 39 is literally perfection, but 39 and a half maybe would have given me like a little bit more wiggle room, basically. Still have 3 items to go through, but I did want to tell you about a couple of items that didn't work out and I returned, and why. Number 1, there were a pair of beige off-white leggings. The flare was too flary. I kind of expected the slit to sort of flare out a little bit, but it was very wide. I just didn't feel 100%. I liked them and they were flattering, but I just didn't like the kick out of the flare that much. The second thing was I bought the Tom Ford braided heels that I tried on at Bergdorf's in New York. I bought the 39 and it was significantly too small, as in I would have needed a 40 at least. The other thing was that toe strap. I've never come across a tighter toe strap, okay? So buyer beware. The next item is truly magnificent, and this is this Dion Lee blazer, okay? You're gonna really need to see this one on. This middle panel that's like, it's got a little bit of boning in there, but it's all elastic and it just sucks you in it, and I die for the silhouette of it. You've also got the hook and eye detailing here at the back. I think that's just for design. I don't know why you would need to unhook that. I don't know, maybe if your neck got a bit hot and you wanted a bit of air. I don't know. I can see this with a short. I can see this with a legging. Just wait for I'm going to style it. Give me a moment. I can see this with a skirt. It has all the versatility of a blazer, but there's that classic aspect with a twist. There's something different. There's something interesting. And you know I respond very well to that. This I actually got in a size 12. Usually I would probably go for a 10 in something like this, but I worried that this was going to be too tight. I really shouldn't have worried. A 10 would have been fine. The 12 is fine. I don't think there's much between the sizes. Okay, next up, you saw the off-white leggings that didn't work. Then I dipped back in and I saw these, and I saw that the flare was less flary than the other ones, and I went for these, and these are much more me. All black. First of all, love this material. It's nice and stretchy and comfortable, but it's not going to show anything as well, you know? It's a little bit lycra, but it's not too shiny. And then you've got this off-white tape in this sort of pinky purple, red and purple, I don't know, going down the side. I don't need to tell you about how much I love a sodding split legging, because I really do, and maybe this is the last one I buy, but maybe not. Who am I kidding? It's a little bit long, I will say that. I'm 5'4", might need to just get that altered a little bit, but aside from that, super comfortable, and a little bit of a pop, little bit of a statement, little something fun. I got this in a size medium. Perfect. I have room to breathe, but it's also tight enough that everything is looking good, you know. I have evolved into Super Cassie because this outfit makes me feel powerful. Oh my gosh. First of all, the sodding blazer. Do we see the sodding cinch stop? It's also gloriously comfortable, okay? It's not like killing me, you know? Stop. This shape, and then you know me. You know I love a legging. Stop. She means business. She is getting at least half in the divorce, and she's taking the house. You can pry this outfit off my cold dead body. What? Everything is so comfortable, but everything is like and tight and everywhere where it should stop. Yes. And finally, this is not from FARFETCH. This is from Hermès, and I saw these and I was like, hold on a second, is this new? I've never seen anything like it. I was very intrigued. It's actually a piece of fashion jewellery, and I wanted to share because super versatile, super fun, very interesting, very un-Hermès in the fact that it's like fun, basically. So these are the O'Kelly earrings. Now, they come in 3 different metal options. They're gold plated. There's white gold, yellow gold, rose gold, and you've also got different colour options for the leathers, and then you've got this hoop. 4 different ways of really how you could wear these. You could wear these just as hoops, hoops with the silver, hoops with the leather, hoops with both. It's a 4-in-1 situation, and that makes me feel like I'm getting a good deal. So I obviously went for the silver padlock with the yellow, or I think it's actually technically called the lime leather, right? And I just thought that it would be really cute, really interesting, fun little moment for spring, summer, but also for autumn, winter. I tend to go more gold, hence I went for a silver moment. I thought that they were cool. I thought they were unique. I thought they were worth a sodding shot. Guys, let me know what you thought of my haul. Thank you so much to FARFETCH for sponsoring. My code is on the screen again. Some brand exclusions, but go forth, have a good time, and DM me on Instagram to tell me what you got. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. And in the words of my father,
if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.